Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I cannot believe it's day 28 of 31 days of FLUTIEWEEN. Like, what happened? Where did they all go? I know I keep saying that, but it's literally, we're down to the last ones. Like, this is insane. And today I have a super special one with my friend Summer. Here's her handle right here. She's amazing. We wanted to do something super fun, and so we decided on doing zombie Simpsons characters. I know, kind of crazy, but yeah, so I'm doing Marge. So if you want to see me transform into a zombie Marge, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, please smash that like button. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. It really means a lot, all of you that have subscribed already and leave nice comments every day. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Alright, getting into the jam. We're just starting off with painting the necklace because I really just kind of wanted to map that out first before I did anything else. Then of course we're gluing down the eyebrows, of course. When do I not? Now I wanted to create those big round Simpsons eyes, so just painting with the white cream paint underneath the eyes and then powdering those brows once they were dry. Now we're using this NYX Special Effects cream color. I really like using cream paints nowadays because it's kind of just like doing foundation. So we're just doing that yellow. We gotta powder the brows. We don't want them to be too wet and to start lifting. Now we need to bring that down all the way on the neck and the chest. Then I'm just highlighting it a little bit and then just powder that shit good. Powder everything. This takes the longest. I just dump it all over. Now we're using the Honey palette from ColourPop because it has some really good dark yellows. So I'm starting to map out her mouth shape and her nose shape. And just starting to shade everything basically with that same color. We're just gonna go all around, creating all these weird like drips and zombie tears and stuff. You can really just do them wherever. It's super random. Zombies are not super like clean cut or anything, so just have fun with it. Now we're using the main squeeze palette from ColourPop just to shade the necklace, make it look a little more three-dimensional. We're adding some Simpsons teeth here. They're pretty wide. I didn't want them to look like normal human teeth, of course. Then adding some pink for the gums. And then all of those gaps I created, just adding some pink, and then I'm starting to shade it a little bit with that same main squeeze palette. And now I'm using a black face paint. I kind of wanted it to be more of a pop art style, so really heavy black lines and stuff like that. Outlining the teeth and just really adding those details to everything, really making it pop. And now we're adding the white, just really highlighting everything. And there you guys go. I did pop in those white contacts. Of course, she's a zombie, and I've been using those all month long. I just really like how they look with zombie characters, obviously. I got this super awesome wig from Funtasywigs. It's such a good brand. They sent this to me and were super generous with it, and I was like, this works perfectly. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and if you want to see the picture of this one and Summer's picture of Zombie Homer, then definitely check out my Instagram, and I'm gonna have them both there. I do have some cool videos of this one and all my other characters on TikTok as well, so it's a lot of fun over there. And if you really did like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We only have a few videos left, and at the end of this month, I have a big surprise for you guys, like a really big surprise. So I'm very excited, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.